Alright, just gonna try to get a big one. There we go, there we go. Did you see that? It's nearly 10 p.m. I can't believe this. This is nothing like I've ever seen before. Oh, did you just hear that? Did you just hear that? There's a car going by. Also, this is my background. My dad's going out there to get some plants. And this is super scary. I downloaded the radar app and we aren't even in the worst of the storm yet. Alright, we've retrieved some of the plants. Gonna try to get one more big one in here. Also, back there's the shed. So, have to brightness, you can choose this window. Oh, you can see it's all light. Oh, that's amazing, that's amazing. I don't have much time left to record, gonna have to cut short soon. Well, remember to like and subscribe if I do post this. This is crazy. I really hope this doesn't produce a tornado, but I think it might. Well, I'll stop off at a 2 minutes strength. Oh my gosh! That was amazing. Did you just hear that? Did you just hear that? That was amazing. Well, time's running out. I cannot produce for much longer. Gotta see you. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!